What's up traders, my name is Darius and I'm back with a new YouTube video for you. Today we're going to cover up some dollar pairs because I asked you in the last YouTube video about what pairs do you want me to cover up in the next one. And if we got a look here, Hat has commented that he wants Aussie dollar and NZDUSD. So I'm going to add those two pairs over here to my watch list and I'm going to cover them up in today's video. Plus in addition, as always, the DXY, because we are analyzing almost only dollar pairs today. Plus GBPUSD, EURUSD, and of course gold. But before we're going to start off with this video, guys, I just wanted to show you my inner circle group over here where I'm sharing analysis, I'm sharing over here weekly outlooks and always signals to my trading setups over here. And as you can see, the last 2 months actually I was posting more signals than educational posts, simply because we had some great opportunities. As you can see, last week we made about 10R, that's 30% on your trading account, 226 pips. And also this week was super good, especially on my personal account. I had a win rate of 100%, but in the signal group I smashed one trade because of a fake out. This was this trade over here. I was sharing it with them, but then GBPUSD made a big spike to the upside, as you can see over here, and hunted the stop loss. And at the moment I was deleting my stop loss because I was waiting, because I know that I have a daily demand over here, a daily supply, and this is big manipulation area. And as you can see, then the price immediately hit to the downside, hitting all my take profit levels, and it was good in profit. So you can also see this on my CopyFix account, because I'm 111% in profit, as you can see, guys. So big profit on a trading account. So if you want to take advantage of my trading setups, then you can simply connect over here with the link in the description. And also a quick check on my TradingView page over here. I already uploaded an video analysis for GBP, GBY. This is why I will not cover up in today's YouTube video, but you can check it out on TradingView. Okay guys, let's get started with the analysis and let's see what we can identify over here in the market. So I think you all know my overall bias on the DXY. It is super bearish because of the corona impact. So let's go down to the monthly time frame to identify the big important levels. I'm going to switch to one clean chart just for you to have it more clean. Exactly. So we got here this resistance, we got here the supply area. Okay, so those are two confirmations for bearish momentum. We can see that the market has provided us structure. So this was the last high, lower low, and the market is right now about to create a new lower low. Okay, something like this. And this is why my targets for the DXY are two targets. So I got two targets. The first one is going to be this level over here, and the second one is this one. So what I do expect right now is that the market will pass this low, creating a new lower low, new lower high, and so on. So something like this is what I do expect. You can view then everything in this downtrend channel over here. So it looks pretty good for me that the DXY is going to approach to hit this level. And what else we can see is that we already broke the trend line over here, so from this uptrend, and the market already tested it, and it should go now to the downside, guys. This is what I do expect. Now let's have a look on this chart over here on the daily time frame to identify some more levels. And what we can see is that the market already respected this nice weekly resistance. So if I'm switching right now to the weekly time frame just for you to identify it, it is because of this support over here, and right now it is turning resistance, and the market reacted very heavily to it. It created a supply area. Market came back to this level to grab some more liquidity, and boom, broke this trend line. And right now we also got a nice level of supply over here. So right now I'm very curious what will happen, because we have right now some opportunities. We got right now the opportunity that the price will drop down. okay? But I still expect that DXY will go a little bit more to the upside before we're going to get this nice drop. And when we're going to hit this level once again, this demand area, this support area over here on the daily, it looks like we're going to easily break it because we have so many touches, okay? So this is my bias right now. Of course, keep in mind that we still can go even higher, okay? We also got an area of supply over here. So this is still possible. But me personally, I do not expect something like this because it looks for me better in alignment with the trend line. So I have more confirmations that we're going to make only a quick fake out over here in this area before the market will start to drop down. And this is super important to understand because if this will happen, then on all these dollar pairs we're going to shift and to move in the right direction. But we still got a little bit room for correction, okay? Now, let's have a look on GBPUSD. Yesterday I was sharing with you a great analysis on TradingView where I was explaining you a good trading setup for a short. And this is what happened. It was because of this area of supply over here. And as you can see, the market came back to this level, grabbed some more liquidity, boom, dropped down. And where is right now our target? What can we expect right now for GBPUSD? Well, we are almost at the target right now, okay? We are about to hit this level. We have a little bit more down movements, which we can expect because we also got here strong level of demand. And right afterwards, I do expect that, yeah, GBPUSD is going to move up higher to, yeah, hit our long-term target, which is definitely this one between this area specifically, okay? We still have this big range over here where we can definitely expect that GBPUSD is going to move up higher. So yeah, looks good for me. Just a quick check on the bigger time frames for you to understand why I do expect that GBPUSD will move up that high. Specifically, it is because we got over here strong level of demand, we got strong level of resistance over here, we got a W pattern over here from which we wanted to see a movement to the downside. Because of this resistance, we wanted to see a movement to the downside, and because of this impulse over here, we wanted to see a correction to the downside, so also drop. Now, we completed the W pattern at the neckline area over here, and since we are hitting this level, we wanted to see big movements to the upside. This is exactly what happened, guys, okay? So perfectly in alignment, and right now with this next impulsive, because this was the previous one, corrective, we want to see the next impulsive going higher, breaking this resistance, of course, and therefore my long-term target is 1.40, but we want to see in the first place a break of this resistance, okay? But we got right now good probabilities because after this impulse right now, we definitely wanted to see some correction to the downside, and then I want to see right now the continuation to the upside. So keep in mind that we got this strong level of support, strong level of demand, and this is the area from which we want to see the market pushing the price again back, wrong instrument, sorry guys, back to the upside. Switching down to EURUSD. Yes, this was the analysis that I was sharing with you. And as you can see, the market actually reacted pretty good in the first place to this trend line over here. But then the market went lower. So it is right now creating an ABC correction. And I still expect that this scenario will happen, that we are definitely going to push up higher. The thing right now is, yeah, you can see EURUSD right now in a lot of variation. For example, you can also draw the lines like this to draw strong level of support over here and stronger level of resistance over here. And since we are still below this area, we can still expect movements to the downside. Well, me personally, I do not expect those big movements to the downside because I want to see movements to the upside. I want to see the DXY continuing with the downside target. So it looks for me pretty good. We still got room to go lower on EURUSD. We also got room on GBPUSD to go lower. Okay, so perfectly fine. Where is our level where we can go down on EURUSD? Exactly, it is this structure level over here. It is this kind of level of demand also, so it is also a strong level of demand. And what we can expect right now on EURUSD is that we're going to get a little bit more of a drop before we're going to move up higher, and then back to this level. And then over here we need to monitorize again price action to see what kind of possibilities we're going to get, because I want to see a clean break of this level, guys. Only if we're going to get a clean break of this level, we can expect movements like this. If not, we still have the probability that we're going to go lower. Even that low, like I already told you from a monthly perspective, we did not get the retracement that we wanted to see after this nice impulsive movement to the upside. So we still have actually room for the price to come back to the downside to one of our fib levels over here. And what I do expect is that we're going to hit, if we're going to go for a short scenario, that we're going to hit this level. But if not, I want to see EURUSD moving higher to the level 1.24 or even 1.25. Okay, then the requested pair NZDUSD. As you can see, it looks super bullish for me right now because it shifted from a bearish market to a bullish one. So the market previously has created over here lower lows and lower highs, okay? So super bearish momentum. But then the market started this nice impulsive to the upside from here. Boom. Breaking all the structure right now, but it was at equal high. And yeah, if this monthly candle over here will close like this, then this is confirmed. Okay, then bullish momentum is absolutely confirmed. It also looks like an head and shoulders, inverted head and shoulders, something like this. And yeah, from a monthly perspective, definitely super bullish, but I was still expecting some bearish momentum. If we are switching right now to the weekly time frame, what we can see over here is, nice uptrend structure right now. Looks good. Market is creating higher highs and higher lows. Right now looks like it is time for a correction. Yeah, no trading possibilities, to be honest. Right now, look at this impulsive. Well, after such an impulse, let me check it again on the weekly. Yeah, no, nothing. We want to see some retracement. Okay, maybe we're going to see some retracement. I'm not sure, okay, because it's super bullish right now. But definitely a little bit of a retracement can be expected. But right now, no confirmations for that. Okay, the market is super bullish. You should actually go and buy NZDUSD at a situation like this. But for me, like now, it looks a little bit overextended, so therefore I'm not interested in trading NZDUSD. And this is also the lesson of today's video. Do not force trading, guys. Maybe you've noticed it on my trading view page over here that I have a video for gold for the inner circle group where I am writing down do not force trading. It is simply about, you should not actually force looking for some trading setups on a pair that you maybe love, but if it will not provide you the possibility right now to trade it, then simply do not trade it, because it will simply just result in bad trading, because you're going to see structure like this and then you're going to buy, for example, from here, and then the market will simply give us this movements. Maybe it is then time for correction. So you should definitely buy when all your rules are satisfied, okay? Okay, the next requested video, requested pair Aussie and Aussie dollar. This was a post that I was posting on TradingView. As you can see, super bullish momentum on this pair, exactly like it was expected. I was also drawing the possibility of a short scenario over here, which did not came true because the market was super bullish. So also I took a nice long opportunity from this level, but only till the supply. And then the market, as you can see, reacted heavily to the supply, touching the demand, and boom, creating this big movement to the upside. So definitely great trading opportunities were available on this pair. And then from here I was expecting that the price will push up higher. And now I want to give you a little bit of an update on this pair, what we can expect and what we can see from the other time frames. So from a monthly perspective, guys, we can expect bullish momentum. Why? Same situation like NZDUSD, bearish momentum, but then the market started a nice impulsive. But in this case, we also broke previous structure and we're already testing previous structure. So super bullish, because yeah, impulse correction, and now you expect the next impulsive. So at least you expect that the price will came back till this level. Yeah, switching now to the weekly, perfect correction. As you can see, can also use those trend lines. Nice correction, bull flag. You want to see a break of it. Daily perspective, yeah, we already talked about it. Right now, if we are going to switch down to the weekly, what we can also see that we are right now at weekly area of supply. So this is why the market right now is giving us this kind of a pin bar right now, and we can expect that the market will give us a drop till this level before we're going to move up higher. So also on the daily, you can identify this is the pattern. Right now, after this impulse, you definitely want to see some retracement. So if we're going to take our FIB level, yeah, perfectly, at least to the 0.32, this is also strong structure level. So something like this you can expect on Aussie dollar. Okay, so I want to see a little bit of a retracement before we're going to move up higher, guys, and maybe a little bit something like this, okay, because we got here this supply area, this previous supply area, which is turned right now into a demand. So it looks for me pretty good that we're going to achieve to hit this level before we're going to continue to move up higher. Now gold, this is the thing which I was talking to you on gold. We had this resistance area, supply area. We had the news about the new vaccine on corona. We have the structure level, and I was sharing with you two IDs. First one pushed to the structure level, and second one something like this. And right now, guys, I'm not interested in trading gold. Okay, for me, the structure is nothing that I like. As you can see, this was big fundamental impact. Then the market bullish, bearish, consolidating right now, preparing for a movement, preparing for the move to the upside or to the downside. Therefore, guys, I'm simply not interested in trading gold right now. Not good probabilities. The only probabilities where I'm interested right now is if the market will give us a push to the structure level, then I'm going to monitorize this scenario, or I'm going to monitorize this scenario. But if the price will came back till this level, then I'm looking for a big buying opportunity, because then everything I'm going to view in this channel over here, okay, for me looks something like this, that the market is in a correction, and then we're going to move up higher from this level. This is something like we can't view gold, because as I told to you, from a monthly perspective, we are not done with the correction. This is the thing right now. We can still go lower, and as you can see, in this range is a potential, returning potential take profit area. So I identified this level over here because it's an institutional level. It is the round number 1,800. So I'm not going to trade gold, guys, to be honest. I'm not interested in any kind of trading setups right now. It looks for me right now super not clear. This is not a structure that I want to see right now. Only what I can tell you is that the market has provided us an M formation, okay, and then the market dropped down, and from here you want to see a push to the neckline area, and then afterwards you normally want to see a short. So right now it looks for me more like a short, but it is simply not clear. I cannot just tell you right now something which I'm not 100% sure, but I just wanted to cover up and also to explain you once again that you should never force trading. I know gold is super, because gold is super volatile, super big movements on gold, but if it is too risky, then I don't want to lose that money just for a potential 100 pips where I'm not 100% sure, okay? And this is the case. Better make small profits than making once a month one big profit, okay? This is my bias. This is my trading strategy. Maybe your trading strategy works different, but this is what I've learned from the Forex market, is that I'm going to focus only on high probability setups. And that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. This was today's video. I hope that you learned something new out of it, and yeah, we're going to see the next time with a new video, guys. Bye bye.